Hi, Emma. What do you do every day at home? Do you have a daily routine?
Hi. I usually wake up, eat breakfast, and study. I also read books and watch TV.
That sounds fun. What kind of books do you like to read?
I like to read adventure books. They're exciting and fun.
Adventure books are great. Do you read every day or just sometimes when you have free time?
I read every day. I love adventure books.
That's great, Emma. Do you have a favorite book right now?
Yes, I like Harry Potter.
Harry Potter is exciting. Do you watch the movies too?
I watch them. I love Harry Potter movies.
I love the movies too. Do you plan to watch them again soon?
I plan to watch them next week. Do you?
I already watched them last month. What about your favorite character? Who is it?
My favorite character is Harry. He is very brave.
Harry is really brave. Do you like any other characters from the series?
I like Hermione. She is very smart and kind.
Do you learn any new skills from her or the books?
I learn a lot from her books. They are very interesting.
That's wonderful. Do you want to try a new book genre soon?
Yes, I want to try mystery books. They seem fun.
Do you have any in mind to start with?
I want to read Sherlock Holmes.
Sherlock Holmes is a classic. Do you have any other favorite activities at home?
I like to cook and play games. Watching TV is fun too.
Cooking is fun. Do you try any new recipes lately?
I tried a new pasta recipe. It was delicious.
That's great to hear. Do you plan to cook anything special this week?
I want to try a new soup recipe. Maybe also bake a cake.
Baking a cake sounds delicious. Do you bake it by yourself or with someone else?
I bake it with my sister. She loves baking too.
It's nice to bake together. Do you often cook or bake with your family?
We often cook together on weekends. It's fun and relaxing.
That sounds like a nice weekend activity. Do you have any favorite dishes you make together?
We like to make pizza and salad together.
Pizza and salad are great choices. Do you make your own pizza dough or use store-bought?
I use store-bought dough. It's easier and faster.
That makes sense. Do you add your own special toppings to the pizza?
I add tomatoes and olives. I love them.